I'm going to be completely gel free, okay? Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Kaela, and if you are a lover of natural hair, fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button for more videos to come, and follow me on Instagram at theokaekaela. So in today's video, I have so many products to share with you guys that's right behind me, because I am going gel free for the month of April. So basically what I mean by that is simply using no gel for any of my hairstyles. Even right now, my hairstyle that I have is completely gel free. So in replacement of gel, I will be using foamy mousses. So I have a variety of products to share with you guys that I've been using, and some of them I haven't used yet, but the vast majority of them I have used. But I basically wanted to go gel free because I feel like gel, when it's hot, gel in general honestly tends to dry my hair out a lot faster rather than me using a foamy mousse. So for example, if wash day is on Sunday and I decided I wanted to do this hairstyle, I have noticed already, because it's been a few days now, it's Wednesday, I've noticed that my hair doesn't feel as dry. And for some reason, I feel like even when you do pair gels with the most moisturizing leave-in conditioner or curl cream, it still tends to dry out a lot faster, especially like a good 3 or 4 days into the style without retouching it. So I want to just kind of train my hair to be able to, you know, keep that moisture in for a good amount of time, especially with it warming up, being spring and summer. I do generally wash my hair out a lot more often than I would in the fall and winter, even with me using gel or not using gel. So I kind of just want to train it to be able to hold a style and just have definition without using gel. So I got a lot of foaming mousses to try out, a variety of curl creams and leave-in conditioners to try out as well, and just see what kind of product combos I like together, because I do want to try to do a wash and go gel free with using foaming mousse. And I bought me some new brushes. I mean, I've already had this, the Felicia Let It Wood brush. I love this, you guys, because the teeth are open, so it's so easy to clean. And everything I'm going to mention in this video will be in the description box down below with links. And then today I got like a little mini dimming brush. It's not a dimming brush, but it's basically the same thing as a dimming brush. I'm going to see how this mini one works. If I don't like it, I will get the actual dimming brush. But first, I want to talk about the foaming mousses, since we're going to be replacing the gel with foaming mousse. Alright, so first up, if you guys watched my last twist out video, I used the Camille Rose Natural Spiked Honey Mousse, and I have it in my hair right now, and I absolutely love it. One thing I will notice is I do have a lot more shrinkage using a foaming mousse rather than a gel, which is totally fine, because I feel like with the gel, you're gonna have that gel cast anyway, and once you kind of break the gel cast with some oil, it'll shrink up anyway, so it really doesn't matter to me. Personally, I like it to shrink up because I like volume, so I'm totally fine with that. But this smells so good, y'all. Like, the entire honey collection is amazing. So stay tuned, because I'm gonna have another tutorial coming soon using this product line. But the hold on this is great. It lasts a long time when I did my flat twist out, so make sure you guys check that out. I'll leave that in the description box down below and on the cards on this video. But this smells really good, and the hold is definitely comparable to a gel. So even if you're in, you know, pretty humid climates, I would say that you'll probably get a good 5 to 6 days out of your hairstyle instead of like using a gel with this, which is still pretty good. So test this out. Next, I have Lottie Body. As you can see, I've pretty much used half of this bottle. Lottie Body is definitely like my OG foaming mousse. I use this to slick my hair down, which I definitely want to do another tutorial on, because normally when I do any slick back styles, I'm always using a gel. I don't think I've ever shown y'all a gel free slick back look, but this has the whole level to me of a like eco styler gel. So that's why I like this. This is why Lottie Body is always recommended for like perm rod sets, flexi rod sets. You can never go wrong with it. So I will say the only thing about this one compared to the Spiked Honey Camille Rose one, I feel like this one is a little bit more drying. It's the only thing. But I would kind of just watch the product combo that I use with this one, and probably just use a heavier cream when pairing with this foaming mousse. The next two I have is the Aunt Jackie's Frizz Patrol Foaming Mousse. I also did a flat twist out tutorial, I want to say like a year ago now, using this, and this was great. When it says Frizz Patrol, it really means it, because I currently stay in Tallahassee, Florida, I go to Florida A&M University, and I went to a football game and it's super humid here. So when I had this in my flat twist out, it lasts me the entire football game. Y'all hear the people at the pool? Sorry. But this lasts me the entire football game, so this is 10 out of 10. And then next I have the Moisture Miracle Rose Water and Argan Oil Curl Mousse, and this is by African Pride. Now if you guys have been following me for a while, you know I did a video on basically seeing like my hair's identity in a sense with my Ivana hair care, and I was able to send in samples of my hair and kind of get a breakdown of my hair texture, my hair type, the density of my hair, and product recommendations. And African Pride was one of the recommendations that I should use for my hair. Now for me, I realized that my hair was not high porosity, and I made that mistake, so I did clear that up in that video, because I mean not low porosity, but I do have high porosity hair. So this was a great product recommendation or brand to use for high porosity hair. And I will say this one is probably the lightest hold out of all of the foaming mousses I have, because I've done like a braid out twist out with this and it didn't last me more than 3 days. So this would probably be good with like a fluffy curly ponytail, or sticking your hair back in a bun and using it like on the length of your hair, but not so much on the part that you want to have slicked down. And then last with the foaming mousses, I have the Cream of Nature Curl Quenching Foaming Mousse. I love the coconut milk line of Cream of Nature. You guys know Cream of Nature is like my #1 product line for my natural hair. Like, it's my OG, it's my favorite. If you've been following me forever, you know that my very first video on my channel was using Cream of Nature products. So I actually picked this one up today, and I have used this one before. I do feel like this whole level is about a good medium, so you can do a twist out or braid out with this as well, and also, you know, your curly ponytail. All right, so moving on to leave-ins and curl creams, you guys. This one I've been raving about for a good minute. If you watch my last twist out, this is the Camille Rose Honey Leave-In Conditioner. It's the cutest packaging. It literally looks like honey, but don't eat it. Please don't eat it. It smells like honey. The texture and consistency is just like honey. It's literally amazing. I will say, if you use that entire product line, the whole honey collection, people are going to be in your hair sniffing your hair. Like, that's how good this product line smells. I love this. I love the texture of it feeling like legit honey, and I do feel like the moisture that was in my hair lasted a good minute. And when I did that flat twist out, I didn't have any gel in my hair, so 10 out of 10. Next, I have the Cream of Nature Strength and Shine Leave-In Conditioner. You guys know this is one of my OG products as well. You just want to make sure you give it a good shake before you spray it. This is a great product for spring and summer because it's just super lightweight. This is something I would probably recommend for like just, you know, a simple curly ponytail or any slick back look. Not so much for a braid out or twist out, because for me, I like to use a little bit heavier creams or heavier leave-ins when I get ready to do that type of styling, just so I can have like twice as much hold. But this is just, you know, just a good light moisturizer. Next, I have Camille Rose Honeycomb Curl Whip Texture Defining Super Cream. Now this is a spray cream. I love this as well, and I did use this in that flat twist out tutorial, paired with that leave-in, paired with that spiked honey mousse. But yeah, great product trio. Love this. This is actually pretty thick, even though it comes like in a spray applicator, which I actually like because the pump is not like one of those small pumps. It's a really big pump, so love this. Now the last two products I have as far as curl creams and leave-ins is by African Pride, and the first product is the Coconut Oil and Jojoba, or I jacked that completely up. It'll be in the description box down below, you guys, but it's the Hydrate and Strengthen Leave-In Cream, and I have that in my hair right now, paired with this spiked honey mousse. So all I simply did was just kind of rake this through my hair. My curls are fluffy, they feel amazing, the braid snatched, so love this. It smells really good, and this is pretty big compared to like a standard size bottle, if you guys can see, which I love. So 10 out of 10 for that. And then the Moisture Miracle Shea Butter and Flaxseed Oil Curl Cream. I love this. I've actually done a braid out tutorial using this before. And again, like I said, with my Ivana hair care recommendations, they said that African Pride was the best for my hair porosity and hair type. And I can honestly say it is. If you guys know about their heated activated, do I have it up here? Yeah, the mask, we'll get to that. That whole entire line honestly smells amazing. Like, these two products just smell great. So again, I feel like if you pair your products with a gel sometimes, I feel like the gel can low-key mask the smell of your curl creams and leave-ins. So this is another huge plus with me going gel free. I feel like pairing things with the foamy mousse, it intensifies the smell of the curl creams or leave-ins. Now, I probably should have started off the video with this, but I will say, before you want to do this gel free challenge, you want to make sure your hair is extremely clarified. That is something that I really struggled with, especially using gel. You know, gel tends to have that level of just buildup. Like, I just feel like whenever I use gel, my buildup in my hair is so bad. Like, it gets to the point where I have to shampoo my hair 3 times for me to like just really feel like I get it out. Especially if you're heavy-handed with your products like me. I tend to use a lot of edge control, so I'm always, you know, focusing the shampoo right along the hairline just to make sure I get everything out. But this right here, chef kiss, okay? I just recently did a video using the Aztec clay mask for the first time. Now, this is probably like my 4th time using it, and I've decided to do it once a month just to clarify my hair. And I can honestly say I've seen a huge difference. And I don't know if it was maybe just my haircut paired with this made a huge difference or what, but I love it. It really acts as a super duper strong shampoo. Like, this right here will clear your hair of everything. So what I like to do is put this in a bowl. Don't use metal when you're using this because it'll like mess with the properties of it. So put this in a bowl and mix in some apple cider vinegar, because apple cider vinegar is great for restoring your scalp's pH and also clarifying your hair as well. So that combination with this, amazing. You need to have this in your stash. Alright, last but not least, let's talk about hair masks. So the great thing about me going gel free for a month, I feel like now I'm really following directions and using my common sense when it comes to these hair masks. You know how the stigma in the natural community is, oh, if you leave this deep conditioner in for, if it says to leave it in for 20 minutes and you leave it in for 30 minutes, you feel like you're really doing something, like you feel like your hair is just really drinking it up. But truth be told, certain leave-in conditioners have certain molecules and it literally meant to be used for that time frame. So please make sure that you are following directions. Like, for example, with this Cream of Nature Aloe and Black Castor Oil Healthy and Long Fortifying Hair Mask, this is their conditioning aloe and Jamaican Black Castor Oil vitamin infused hair mask. And let's see the directions. It literally says leave on for 3 minutes and rinse thoroughly. So this right here would be my quick little shower hair mask. If it says that, do just that, because honestly, your hair can only absorb so much to begin with. And like I said, I actually watched this video with Nomo's hair, and she really broke it down as a licensed cosmetologist to really follow directions on your hair mask, okay? So I will be using this. As you can see, I haven't opened it yet. Literally still has the tape on it. So this will be like my little quick rinse out hair mask in the shower. And then this was the hair mask that I was raving about just a few seconds ago. And this is the African Pride Moisture Miracle Moroccan Clay and Shea Butter Detox and Soften Heat Activated Mask. Now obviously it says it's heat activated, so all you simply do is put it on your hair, cover it up, and it says leave for 15 minutes. Or you can, with a heated cap, or you can let it sit without heat activating it for 30 minutes. So again, stay within that time frame. But this right here is one of the best smelling deep conditioners I have ever used. It smells so good. And let me just say, you can literally pick this up from Walmart, and the way that I just said that was so much together. But you can literally pick this up from Walmart and it's under $10, okay? And you get a lot in here, and a little goes a long way, so that's a huge plus. And last but not least, this is one of my OG faves as well, and this is the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Strengthening Hair Mask, okay? As you can see, only have a little bit left, but I love this as well. This is something that I've been using a lot. I have 3 more bottles of this in my stash, which I'll show you guys a side-by-side clip. My friends like to call me basically like my room is technically like a beauty supply store. They always get products from me because I have a hoarding problem when it comes to products, but I love this mask so much and I have hella products. So that's one thing I'm really excited about with going gel free. Then I'm going to be gel free. I feel like I'm going to do a little bit more styles more often, even though I'm like a lazy natural. You guys know I like to do one style per week, but because it's hot, I'm tending to sweat more because it's hot, I'm going to be changing my hair up a lot more. So stay tuned for more tutorials of me being gel free. So I just want to give you guys an update on that. Like I said, this is starting for the month of April. I'm going to be completely gel free, okay? Not even using it on my edges, like literally putting it to the back of my cabinet, not touching the gels, okay? So stay tuned for more. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button for more videos to come, and follow me on Instagram at theokaekaela. And again, everything I mentioned will be in the description box down below, and I'll talk to you guys later in the next video. Bye.